Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video, we are going to talk about data types in JavaScript. In the previous video, we talked about variables in JavaScript. Now, from the beginning of JavaScript, from 1995 to 2015, there was only one way of creating variables in JavaScript, and that was using the var keyword. Now in 2015, JavaScript got its new version, and that was ES6 or ECMAScript 2015. Now in ES6, we can create variables using the let keyword and const keyword. Now I will talk about let and const keyword later when I make a ES6 course, but for now, let's stick with the var keyword. I just want to let you know that from 2015, we can create variables using let and const keyword. So this video is about data types in JavaScript. And we will talk about 5 basic data types in JavaScript, which are strings, numbers, booleans, undefined, and null. A string is something that you put inside a single or double quote. And everything that you type on your keyboard for JavaScript is just a string. See, we have nothing, but for JavaScript, it's a string. It can be empty, can be some text, numbers, anything that you can type on your keyboard inside single and double quotes is called is a string for JavaScript. Now, a number data type is just a number. It can be a positive number like 4, minus 50, or a decimal number like 7.6. Now, a boolean can be either true, true, or false. It's like 1 and 0 in computer language, or on and off. It is usually used in logical situations to help JavaScript make decisions. Undefined is a data type. It means, for example, we have a variable called name, but that name is nothing. It has no value in it. If you think it like a box, for JavaScript we have created a box, but that box, like this empty blue box, has nothing in it. That's what undefined means. And it returns undefined. Now there are other data types like objects and arrays, but we'll talk about them more later. And null is something that a developer or programmer has to specifically set. Now that was data types in JavaScript. I'll see you in the next one.